long kasi ka bansa kan mau bat ka badan jingkan man ya ka thain riwar hi bar koi ha ka balayo ban Plie ka Minister Secrerariat Pynursla Civil Subdivision ha ka arpu pratari ka October arjar abusan dau Chief Minister jong ka Jylla Shri Conrad K. Sangma ha Ryngkat ka jedon lang u local MLA jong ka Pynursla constituency ba Preston Tingsong u balong ru u Deputy Chief Minister jong ka Meghalaya. Hakani ka jiya lang ladon Ryngkat ru ba Sanbor Shulai bolong Minister jong ka Animal Husbandry, Veterinary and Arts and Culture Congress Mary Kharpuri, MDC Nongshken constituency, Dr. Shakil P. Ahmed, IAS Chief Secretary to the Government of Meghalaya, HM Shangpliang, Sordar Karachabong ba Herin Singh Khongai ki SDO jong ki department ba pher UBDO ki Rio Rangba ki Rangba Shnong ki invitees but kumjo ki khana school layo ban Plie perda ya mau sakan mau ya ka jing Plie kani ka building dau kongsan badu sembut kongsan layo ban peni po I pheng ru ya kani ka program da ka surging tem na rensan ki certain rai na penter ka jing rai ni ba riki khong yang bat ki parlok bat kumju ru nei khana school ka pedeng rai border area secondary school ami bada shisha kharingi layo ka jing keren pediang no BDO ka Pynursla CNRD block Shri L Kharman ka jing pen ku buram ya ki kongsan ka jingkren lam khmat na SDO ka Civil Subdivision kong EL Warjri ka jingkren no Sordar ka Rajabong ba Herin Singh Khongai Dr. Shakil P. Ahmed IAS Chief Secretary to the Government of Meghalaya ba Sanbor Shulai MLA jang ka South Shillong constituency Badru no Deputy Chief Minister ba Preston Tingsong Khadue no Chief Minister ka Meghalaya Shri Conrad K. Sangma.
Ready?
Chief Guest, Shri Conrad K. Sangma, Chief Minister, Government of Meghalaya, our very own Deputy Chief Minister, Shri Preston Tinsong, who is also the local MLA of Pynursla constituency, Sir Sanbor Shulai, who is the Minister, Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department, Arts and Culture Department, Legal Metrology Department, Printing and Stationery Department, MLA from Sora, Sir Gavin Milliam, Sir Shakil Ahmed, Chief Secretary, Government of Meghalaya, Sir Cyril Dingdo, Commissioner Secretary, Government of Meghalaya, other dignitaries, distinguished guests, officers, traditional leaders who are here, members of local bodies, esteemed invitees, and beloved residents of Pynursla Civil Subdivision. It is my great honor and privilege to extend a very warm welcome to each and every one of you to this momentous occasion.
Shri Preston Tinsong, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Government of Meghalaya. Shri Gavin Milliam, Member of Dr. Shakil P. Ahmed, IAS Chief Secretary to the Government of Meghalaya. Shri HM Shangpliang, Advisor to the Government. And Shri Herin.
A very good afternoon to everyone. Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Shri Conrad K. Sangma, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Shri Preston Tinsong, Minister in charge, Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department, etc., Shri Sanbor Shulai, Honorable MLA from Sora Assembly Constituency, Shri Gavin M. Milliam, respected Chief Secretary to the Government of Meghalaya, Dr. Shakil P. Ahmed, IAS, Member of the District Council from Nongshken Constituency, Srimati Grace Mary Kharpuri, Shri H.M. Shamplian, Advisor to the Government of Meghalaya, distinguished officials, respected village and Raj elders, VEC functionaries, voluntary organizations, students, members of the press, invitees, my dear colleagues, well-wishers and friends. It is with immense joy and great honor that I welcome each and every one of you to this auspicious occasion, the inauguration of the mini secretariat and the circuit house at Pynursla. The land that these two buildings stand has been gifted to the government by the Raj Shabong for the establishment of the office of the Pynursla Civil Subdivision. And it covers more than 57 acres, making it an ample space that can house many other important offices, such as the Fire Emergency Services, Office of the SDPO, and many more. This day marks a significant milestone for the people of Pynursla and the entire Rewa area. We are deeply honored and grateful to have amidst us the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, who has kindly consented to grace this occasion as a chief guest. The Honorable Deputy Chief Minister as the guest of honor, the Honorable Minister in charge of Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department as a special guest. Their esteemed presence today is a reflection of the government's unwavering commitment of the cause of decentralized governance, infrastructure development, and public service delivery. Under the visionary leadership of the Honorable Chief Minister,
at the very outset, I extend my deepest gratitude to our Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Konrad K. Sangma, for gracing this momentous occasion as the chief guest, and to our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Shri Badu Tensong, for his unwavering support, vision, and leadership, which have made this long-awaited day really for the people of the Pynursla Civil Subdivision. I also take this opportunity to thank our Honorable Minister in charge of CNRD Development as the special guest, and to the Chief Secretary to the Government of Meghalaya, and to all the officers, dignitaries, and officials from various departments, and especially Madam E.L. Wardri, MCS, Additional Deputy Commissioner of Pynursla Civil Subdivision, whose tireless dedication and coordination have contributed immensely to the success of this program. To all the village headmen, soldiers, elders, and residents of Rajshabang, and to every members of the community present here today, I express my heartfelt appreciation and warmest welcome. Your unity, cooperation, and
respected Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, respected Deputy Chief Minister, Minister Animal Husbandry and Veterinary, MLA from Sora constituency, MDC, Advisor Education Government of Meghalaya, Basiril, all esteemed people on the stage and off the stage. It's an important occasion, and first of all I would like to thank the local community who has donated close to 80 acres of land to establish this building. I think they need this of a big clap. And when government come forward to help, then community should also come forward. Development is a partnership between community and government and public. So long as we work together, there will be more impact, more fruits, and more benefits to public. And I pray that we should have that inclination, interest, and commitment to work together with the community. May God bless this subdivision and our blessed, beautiful state. As earlier the person from the village spoke, you have a beautiful sacred forest nearby. I think Meghalaya is known for maintaining cleanliness. We have the cleanest river, cleanest village, and we should say we are the cleanest state in future, maintaining greenery, cleanliness all across in our office also. In fact, whether we like it or not, the BDO office is the most important office, not Chief Secretary's office. It is BDOs who deliver the largest number of benefits, welfare and grievance redressal to the public. So BDOs are the most important functioning arm of government, and the officers and the entire team should seriously understand. I'm sure they will. And please bear in mind, redressing a grievance, addressing an issue and solving a problem of a common man is what we are all here for. Civil service is public service. And we all are officers, we are all civil servants. I'm the chief servant of the state. And proudly I can say I'm the chief servant of the Meghalaya. And we would love to do as much as we can under the guidance and visionary leader of the Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister. The simple thing is, whenever you come to Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation, once said, if you are in confusion what to do when a public issue comes, just think of the poorest man in the community. Whatever you do for him will be do best for everybody. So I would request and urge all my esteemed colleagues who are going to join or already working here, whenever the file comes, think of a person behind the file. Whenever somebody comes with a petition, just think you are on the other side of the table. Your problem is solved. And we should maintain this greenery, beauty, and the entire structure of the building as it looks very beautiful and well made. May we be able to maintain its charm, cleanliness, and grandeur by serving our people better than what they imagine and expect. Let's maintain this beautiful area. I try to quote one or two Khasi words. Bear with me if I make a mistake. Kajing quick, kabut rinki, ya kajing long blade. If you maintain cleanliness, it's the best service to God. Cleanliness is not only environment, in your building, in your office. Being honest and upright is also cleanliness. Clean mind, clean heart, clean community, and clean society. Maybe we also love to maintain our scenario, entire thing very clean. Liquid le subayaka, yang kasem badki, saudong saukut, baburum yakalei, yang lei sem. I hope I made it clearly. Apologies, I made a mistake. The last but the most important thing. We all are God-fearing, we all do good things. We all fear God, we fear bad things. The best service you can do is the service you can do for your brothers and sisters around. In fact, there's a poem in my mother tongue. If you cannot see the brother next to you, there's no wonder you can't see God at all. Even if you think you're seeing God, you're not seeing Him. Unless and until you see the suffering of common man nearby you. So with this, I conclude. Just last couplet I tried. Madam Com wrote to me, I requested her to write in Kasi. Kajing Shakri ya u paitba, kalong kajing Shakri ya u bleru. Kajing Shakri ya u paitba, kalong kajing Shakri ya u bleru. Let's see the God in our people. Thank you very much. Kuble Shimon, Mikhaila, Jai Hind, Jai Jagat, Kuble Shihazatu. Bye.